Hey everyone, welcome back to the part 6 of my Python series. And if you have not watched the previous part, make sure to check them out. I will explain everything from the very basics, and honestly, you want to find this level of basic explanation easy. I will cover every topic step by step from scratch. And yes, I could not upload yesterday because I was not able to record, but I try to stay consistent and upload regularly from now on. In this video, we will learn how to take user input in Python. User input means taking data from the user while the program is running. Python provides a built-in functions called input. It's allow user to enter data. Let's see an example. Here we take a name as input from the user and then we print it. Now remember one important thing. Input always take data as a string. So if you want to take numbers, you need to convert the data type. This is called typecasting. For example, if we take age as input, we convert into an integer using int. This helps us perform calculations. One quiz for you. If we don't convert input into int, what will be the data type? Comment your answer. The answer is a string. It's so simple. Guys, I put lots of effort into making these tutorials, so please make sure to subscribe. It's really support me. I will keep bringing more super basic and easy to understand Python videos, so stay connected. Keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next part. Thanks for the watching.